Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Saloni Nandan, and in this video, I'm going to tell you the active and passive voice rules with some examples. But before we start the video, I request you to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Active voice. What is an active voice? In active voice, the subject performs the action denoted by the verb. एक्टिव वॉइस में सब्जेक्ट जो होता है सेंटेंस का वो एक्शन करता है और एक्शन हमें किससे पता चलता है? वर्ब से. लेट्स लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल. monkeys love bananas. Next example, the teacher teaches the students. Next example, the dog chased the squirrel. In all the three sentences, they say their basic voice is active. How do we come to know that the voice is active? All three sentences have the same construction, that is subject, then comes the verb, and then comes the object. तीनों एग्जाम्पल्स में एक ही कंस्ट्रक्शन है जो कि है सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. Now let's look at the first sentence. In the first sentence, the subject, monkey, performs the action. And what is that action? Monkey एक action perform करता है and that is monkey loves. And what does monkey love? Monkey loves bananas. So verb है loves and bananas is object. Same way, in the second sentence, the teacher performs the action described by teaches. Third example, the dog performs the action which is described by chased. What is a passive voice? In passive voice, subject is no longer active. Subject is passive. Subject passive voice में active नहीं होता है. But instead being acted upon by the verb. Subject के ऊपर verb act करता है. For example, bananas are loved by monkeys. So subject end में चला गया and object पहले आ गया और बीच में verb. So bananas are loved by monkeys. Subject is acted upon by the verb. Subject के ऊपर verb act कर रहा है. Second example, the students are taught by the teacher. So subject is teacher as we had seen earlier in the active voice. So इस subject के ऊपर teaches are taught जो change हो गया है वो act कर रहा है. The squirrel was chased by the dog. Okay, so let's have a closer look at the first pair of sentences. That is monkeys love bananas. That was the active voice. Now in the passive voice में bananas are loved by monkeys. So active voice में क्या था? Subject plus verb plus object. और passive voice में क्या है? Object, that is bananas, plus form of to be, plus main verb, that is are. Are is form of to be and loved is the V2 form of the verb love. और इसके बाद हम एक मेन बहुत ही important preposition ऐड करते हैं and that preposition is by. By indicates that the sentence has passive voice. And then we have monkey, which is the subject of the sentence. So making the sentence passive, flipped the sentence structure with the use of preposition by. So हमने passive कैसे बनाया active से? हमने subject को object की जगह पे रख दिया, object को subject की जगह पे रख दिया और बीच में preposition ये add करा by. In fact, All three of the sentences have the same sentence structure. Now let us look at some of the rules to change a sentence from active to passive voice. Rule number 1, move the direct object, that is bananas, from the active sentence into the subject slot to make the passive voice. Okay, so if we look at the first example, active voice was monkeys love bananas, and the passive voice will be the subject object banana will come in the beginning. So the passive voice will be the bananas are loved by the monkeys. Now let us look at the rule number 2. Place the subject of the active sentence at the end of the sentence to make it a passive sentence by adding a preposition by. We will add the preposition by, by, to make a passive sentence. For example, the teacher teaches the student. Here the subject is the teacher, which will come at the end of the sentence, and before the teacher we will add preposition by. Okay? So रूल नंबर 2 ये है कि सब्जेक्ट जो है एक्टिव वॉइस में वो पैसिव वॉइस बनाने के लिए सेंटेंस के एंड में आएगा, और सब्जेक्ट से पहले हम बाय preposition यूज करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द टीचर टीचेस द स्टूडेंट. हियर द सब्जेक्ट इज द टीचर, और उसको पैसिव बनाने के लिए द टीचर हम सेंटेंस के एंड में रखेंगे और उससे पहले हम बाय यूज करेंगे. The students are taught by the teacher. Now let us look at the rule number 3. Add a form of the auxiliary verb be. Auxiliary verb be की एक form add करें sentence में with main verb. And in this sentence, the main verb is chased. In the sentence, the dog chased the squirrel. The main verb is chased. So chased के साथ auxiliary verb of be add करें form of be, और chased की form बदल दें to make a passive sentence. A form of to be plus the past participle of chased. The dog chased the squirrel. So we will write the squirrel was chased by the dog. So was is the auxiliary verb that we have added with chased, and auxiliary verb of to be. To be का auxiliary verb है was, और was के साथ हमने chased, that is the past participle or V3 form of the verb chased का use करा है. So it will become a passive voice. The squirrel was chased by the dog. So now you must have got all the information for making changes in a sentence with active and passive voice rules of all the sentences. Practice set and examples of active and passive voice are given in the description below, which will help you clear the fundamentals and score well in your exams. So do not forget to practice by the link given in the description below. And also do not forget to like the video, comment on the video on whichever topic you want me to explain to you, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.